Welcome to our ultimate GPU showdown. Today we are diving deep into a comparison between two powerful graphics cards, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4090 and the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 EVO. The RTX 4090 is a flagship model designed for high-end gaming and demanding applications, boasting an impressive 24 GB of GDDR6X memory and advanced cooling technology. On the other hand, the RTX 4060 EVO offers a more budget-friendly option, with solid performance for 1080p and 1440p gaming, featuring 8 GB of GDDR6 memory. Join us as we break down their specifications, performance, and key features to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to performance, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4090 stands out as a powerhouse, designed for 4K gaming and demanding applications. With a massive 24 GB of GDDR6X memory and 16,384 CUDA cores, it delivers exceptional frame rates even at the highest settings. In contrast, the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 EVO, while not as powerful, still offers impressive performance for 1080p and 1440p gaming, thanks to its 8 GB of GDDR6 memory and 3072 CUDA cores. This makes it a great choice for gamers on a budget who want solid performance without breaking the bank. The price difference between these two graphics cards is significant. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4090 comes with a hefty price tag of $1,799, reflecting its top-tier performance and capabilities. On the other hand, the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 EVO is priced at just $319, making it an attractive option for gamers looking for value. This stark contrast in pricing highlights the different target audiences for each card, with the 4090 aimed at enthusiasts and professionals, while the 4060 caters to mainstream gamers. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance, especially under heavy loads. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4090 features a robust WindForce 3X cooling system, designed to keep the card cool even during intense gaming sessions. This ensures optimal performance without thermal throttling. In comparison, the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 EVO utilizes an Axial Tech dual-fan cooling design, which is efficient for its power consumption. While it may not match the cooling prowess of the 4090, it effectively manages heat for a quieter operation, making it suitable for compact builds. In conclusion, the choice between the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4090 and the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 EVO ultimately depends on your gaming needs and budget. If you are looking for the best performance for 4K gaming and are willing to invest significantly, the 4090 is the clear winner. However, if you are on a budget and primarily play at 1080p or 1440p, the 4060 offers excellent value and performance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.